Pressure cooking can be a convenient way to cook tough cuts of meat in a short time. It saves time and gas, as we say in Jamaica, but did you know it doesn't provide the same depth of flavor or health benefits that traditional slow cooking offers? When you use a pressure cooker, the high heat and rapid cooking process do tenderize the meat quickly, but they don't give the collagen, minerals, and gelatin enough time to break down and infuse into the liquid. This means you miss out on the rich, nutrient-packed broth that traditional slow cooking creates. I also don't use a slow cooker as it operates similarly to a pressure cooker. While it uses low heat over a long period, the food still cooks in a sealed environment, which limits the evaporation of liquids and concentrates flavors differently from traditional cooking methods. I prefer the old-fashioned way of slow cooking, keeping the pot slightly open, adding water as needed, and letting the meat cook slowly over time. This method gives you more control over the cooking process and allows the natural flavors to develop gradually. It also ensures that the collagen, minerals, and nutrients from the meat break down and infuse into the liquid, creating a rich, flavorful gravy. Keeping the pot slightly open is important because it allows some of the steam to evaporate, which helps concentrate the flavors in your dish. Cooking with the lid completely closed can sometimes trap too much steam, leading to a steamed or bland flavor. A slightly open lid allows for better airflow and a more balanced cooking process. While modern appliances offer convenience, there's something irreplaceable about the old-fashioned way of cooking, especially when it comes to creating meals that are not only delicious but also deeply nourishing.